Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to place a limit order on Poloniex. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to place a limit order on Poloniex. The first thing to do is to launch the Poloniex app on your mobile device and log into your account. From the home screen, tap the trade icon at the bottom corner of your screen or click on the market section to access available trading pairs. Alternatively, you can search for cryptocurrency pair you want to trade using the search bar, which is at the top of the screen. Now I'm going to trade. On the trading page for the selected pair, you will see different types of orders. Now, even on the trading page, you can click here to select a different kind of pair. So once you click on that, you see a couple of pairs displayed. I don't know how long it's going to take. Okay, it has displayed. So tap on any of them if you want to change. So you'll see different types of orders here at just right under buy and sell. So click on the drop down menu. You see limit, market, stop limit, trading stop, stop market, post only. Select limit. Now once you select limit, a limit order allows you, of course, a limit order allows you to specify the price at which you want to buy or sell the cryptocurrency. Now go to the buy tab. In the buy section, that's if you're buying, enter the limit price at which you want to execute your order. You can do the same for the sell section. Now, in this amount, now this is the price you're willing to pay for buying, or the price at which you want to sell your crypto that if you're selling. For a buy limit order, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to buy at the specified limit price. You can also use the percentage buttons by using the slider. That is 25%, 50%, 75%, 100% to quickly input how much of your available funds you want to use for this purchase. I do not have available BTC, or I don't have an available balance, so this is pretty much not going to work. So for a sell limit order, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to sell at the specified limit price. Use the percentage buttons to select how much of your crypto holdings to sell. Before proceeding, review all details of the limit order, including limit price, amount of cryptocurrency, order type, that's buy or sell. Ensure that all information is correct before moving on. Tap buy if you are placing a buy order, or tap sell if you're placing a sell order to confirm your limit order. And then a summary of the order will appear showing the limit price, total cost, and any applicable fees. Bear in mind that if you use a 2FA, if you enable 2FA in your account, you may be required to enter the CGD code from your authenticator app to confirm the transaction. Unlike market orders, limit orders will not execute immediately. They will remain open until the market price reaches your specified limit price. You can monitor the status of your limit order in the open orders section. And you can review the details of your executed limit orders by going to the order history section, which shows all completed trades, including executed limit orders. That's it. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.